Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get yourself verified on your TikTok account, right? So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. There's no such button in TikTok. You can even scroll through every single setting in TikTok, but there's gonna be not any button which you can just click and your TikTok is gonna get verified. And if somebody says give me money, I'll verify your TikTok account, please don't. Basically, they're just trying to steal your information, alright? If they're asking for money, then don't give them money. They're trying to steal your money. And there are also going to be some website who's going to ask you to enter your login details of your TikTok. After that, they'll verify your account. Please don't do that. If you do that, basically your TikTok account is going to get hacked, alright? Because I'm going to be telling you a way through which you guys can get your TikTok account verified, alright? So basically, TikTok verifies their account themselves, which means that as you guys can see all these people with the check mark on their username over here, TikTok viewed their profile. So you need to get TikTok's attention, and how you guys can get TikTok attention is by making videos and like getting interactions, alright? So make sure your account is not private, make sure it's a public account, and make sure it's either a creator account or a business account, because in a normal account you're never gonna get your account verified. So make sure to change it into a creator account or a business account, whichever one you like, and make sure your account is private and you start uploading videos. And once you get like 1,000 or like 5,000, 6,000 followers in a day, TikTok will get attention. They will research about your account and they'll try to find more about you. And basically, once they verify that the account belongs to you, they're gonna give you the tick mark, alright? And there's also the creator pool website of TikTok, which teaches you guys how you guys can make TikTok videos and how you guys can get verified on TikTok, alright? This is the only legit website I know about, because I don't want you guys to go to the wrong website and get your account hacked, right? This is the official website of TikTok. You can just search for CREATOR pool, and it's going to show you it over here. You can just click on over here and it's going to bring you to this website, alright? So yeah, that's basically what it is. So just don't go to any website and give your login details or pay somebody to get your account verified. Just make great content and interact with your fans or like the people who comment on your video and follow you, and they'll get verified soon enough.